How to change Gmail or your mail in Garena account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ben Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your email ID or email account on Garena account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to head into garena.com and you want to log into your account. Here, head into account and it'll take you to the login page and you want to simply log in. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is here now you're gonna tap on the little. So now once you're logged in, what you can do is you can tap on the hamburger icon at the left hand side of the screen and then head into security. Under security, you'll be able to see your email there, and beside it you'll find the change option. In my case, it's not here because I've not verified it, and I'm not, as you can see here on the screen, my security level is too low, so you can see there is no any option to change. But once you have binded your account to phone number and once you have verified your mail, you'll be able to change it. You'll get the change option right there beside on the security. So this is how you can change Gmail in Garena account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.